Hey, this is Random Viz for you again. Just coming with a review of the TNT Megabyte computer looking firework. Anyway, I just got this the other day from TNT tent set up in like a Walmart parking lot or whatever. But it's pretty cool looking. You know, it has a little picture there or whatever, you know, just showing kind of their website and kind of the keyboard of the laptop and everything. And here's the fuse of where you light it at. And I am going to be doing a test on this later. It's supposed to, as you can see, emit showers of sparks. I'm not sure how far it's going to go up, but I guess we'll see, and I'll have y'all a test in just a second. Okay, so here's the test from my TNT laptop firework.